morning. My name is Brian Calabio. I'm from C356 and I'm from starter class P02. And today I'm going to talk about my assignment, which is quantitative analysis for this semester. All right. By the way, my index number is 1404564E. That's 1404564E. So, the first question, they asked me to extract this PSI text from Olive that I downloaded and eventually exported to my Excel project. Um, Basically, um, this note is about the uh, PSI levels of the different regions of Singapore, which includes the east, west, north, and south, and as well as central regions. And there are different PSI on different dates from June, July, August, September, and October as well. So the first question, they asked me to measure the data description from the different regions and identify which has the best air quality from the 5 months of data, and as well as to find the worst air quality from there. Um, yeah, from the raw data that was given from me earlier. So after I got the raw data, I exported it here to my Excel project, and from there, I actually I actually calculated the average amount of PSI in the different regions from the north, south, east, west, central, shown here. And from there, I infer that um, the west has the most number of average of PSI, and thus this means that the west has the worst quality of air, as the PSI has the largest from that 5 months, stretch of 5 months, while the east has the best quality of air from this stretch of 5 months. Also, I calculated the standard deviation of the raw data to find which region has the most consistent air PSI of air, and this it concludes that the south has the most consistent air, meaning that their PSI didn't really have the largest range. It was more like more consistent the way that the PSI is almost the same throughout, while the central again has the most inconsistent PSI level, meaning that their PSI range is the largest among the five regions. Right. Now for the second part, they asked me to identify the worst air quality and compute the daily maximum for the region. So what I did here was that uh, the by the way the region that has the worst air is the west zone as shown here. So I computed actually all the um, maximum PSI from each day from June, July, August, and September and October. And these are the graphs, different graphs of the month with the maximum PSI. From here, right, I can see that the PSI for June has the highest, which is this one is 227, um while the PSI for the month of August has the most consistent one, like this. Can see from the graph, it didn't really went up and down, unlike June. Um, Furthermore, the month of August is here, has the lowest PSI level range as compared to all. Alright, for the second part, question 2, they asked me to construct a 95 95% confidence interval of the mean PSI reading for the 5 months. So what I did here was that I actually um, this is the 95% confidence interval uh, graph table for me. I calculated the mean, standard deviation, sample, standard error, alpha divided by 2, z alpha divided by 2, and sampling error of these 5-month PSI um, range of PSI range of the different regions. For the mean, I of course added everything from PSI from the first day of that they gave me the PSI data to the last day for all the 5 months. And yeah, for standard deviation I did the same sample. I added all the days together and got the sample. For standard error, I used the sample, I mean the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample, and I got this answer. For the alpha, they gave me 0.95 interval, thus I minus 1%, 100%, but minus 95%, getting 0.5, and the alpha divided by 2 is 0.25. And from this, I actually got it from the graph that was given for for the for the QA worksheet and all. And for the sampling error, I times my R11, which is standard error, times the ZEC alpha over 2, and to get a sampling error. Now for the second part of it, um, they asked me to count the number of days where PSI in Singapore exceeded reading of 30 for the months of July, August, as well as September and October, and compare them really. And for me, I got this sorry about that. I got this graph to show you the days that has the 30 or more. Right, for this, for the north, there's 35 for the month of July and August, 25 for the south, east 16, 49 for the west, central 18, and for total number of days to 143, and the average 28.6. For October and September, then they had 36, 22, 17, 33, 18 respectively. Total is 126, average 25.2, and this means that the month of July and August has a worse month for in terms of the PSI level than the October September. And yeah, that's about it for my project for QA. Yep, and by the way, I'm Brian Calabio again. I'm from C356 tutorial class P02. Index number is 1404564E. Thank you.